we'll guide you through how to implement ChatGPT best practices to maximize efficiency and effectiveness. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Once there, sign into your account if you haven't already. After logging in, you'll want to start by defining the purpose of your interaction. Clearly state what you're hoping to achieve with ChatGPT, whether it's generating creative content, answering questions, or assisting with coding. Next, it's important to ask clear and specific questions. The more detailed your queries, the better the model can provide accurate and relevant responses. For example, instead of asking a general question like, "Tell me about history," you could ask, "What were the main causes of the French Revolution?" This specificity helps ChatGPT understand the context and deliver more precise information. If you're using ChatGPT for creative writing or brainstorming, try to provide a framework or theme for the model to follow. This could be a brief description of a character or a setting you have in mind. You can also experiment with different prompts to see how the model responds, tweaking your input to refine the output. Additionally, it's crucial to review and refine the responses generated by ChatGPT. While it's a powerful tool, it's not infallible. Double-check facts and ensure that the tone and style meet your needs. If you're planning to use ChatGPT for professional purposes, make sure to maintain a human oversight process to verify the information before publishing or sharing it. Lastly, take advantage of the model's ability to learn from your interactions. By providing feedback on its responses, you can help improve future interactions. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you use ChatGPT with these best practices, the better your results will be. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.